Welcome back everyone to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a lovely broccoli soup. Here I have a cup of peas, 2 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to use half of this, so stay tuned. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these onions. You can cut them in whatever shape you want. You can cut them like this, personal preference, or you can cut them like this. And this, I'm going to add some oil. You can add whatever oil you choose to use. You can use olive oil or some vegetable oil. So you're going to turn the gas up a bit. Garlic, just going to smash them a bit. Just rough chop them. Now I'm going to add the onion. So that's the onion and garlic. I'm going to add a bit of black pepper. Some sea salt. It's always good to season your veg once you start cooking. Just start seasoning your veg. Now I'm going to add the peas in. I'm going to start to prepare the broccoli now. This is easy to cook anyway, so just going to cut it in half. The next half I'm going to use it probably make a quiche. This part you don't throw them away because you can use them to make stock. So this, still can use this part. Turn the gas up a bit. Add some boiling water. So I'm gonna add a bit of celery, just like 1 stalk celery. I'm gonna add some vegetable stock. This one I made this one. There's a video show how to make this, my vegetable stock. I'm gonna add 2 in. You can try to make this at home for yourself. Just drop 2 of this in. I'm going to add some thyme to it. You can use dry thyme or fresh thyme. I'm going to add some dry thyme. Now I'm going to add some more all-purpose to it. Some all-purpose season. Then cover and let it boil for about 15 minutes. Now while the soup is cooking, over here I'm going to use this like a half a bread. This is just the back of the bread, and I'm going to make some croutons with it. So when you have bread like this, you don't have to throw it away. You can just make some croutons with it. I'm going to add a bit of oil to this. I'm going to add a bay leaf. Just a little bit of coarse salt. So I'm going to add these in just to brown them off a bit. So just keep turning them until they get color. So these are ready. So I'm just going to set them aside until the soup is ready. That's what they look like, nice golden brown. So with this soup, I'm going to put half cup of double cream in. And then I'm going to blend. now this is finished. I'm gonna add it back to the fire. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add 2 bay leaf in it. Probably had about 3 small ones. Couple bits of chili flakes. And just let it cook in it for probably about a minute or a minute and a half, and then the soup is good to go. Look at that. Very healthy, full of iron, antioxidants, you know, vitamins, mineral. Now the soup is ready.